everybody, I'm Emily with Paint Couture, and today we're talking about our Paint Couture Lux Metallics. Our Lux Metallics are made in the USA and they're made with renewable resources, which makes them eco-friendly. I am painting the color Royal Silk on this iFlex medallion, and you can see the great coverage it already has. That is because our Lux Metallics are highly pigmented, which means they have exceptional coverage. Here we have three colors in Amazon, Iris, and Slate Blue, and these three iFlex medallions only have one coat of Lux Metallic paint on them. You can truly see here how great the coverage is. Here are the same three colors with two coats, and two coats are recommended to get the best coverage. Paint Couture Lux Metallics dries to a silky smooth satin finish, and we have a wide and large selection of brilliant metallic colors. These vibrant colors are great for card makers, artists, crafters, junk journalists, mixed media creators, and furniture artists. They also have exceptional adhesion and they can be used indoor or outdoor, but if you use them outdoor, just make sure you also apply our Extreme Guard top coats. Here are the close-ups of our 30 colors we currently have, and there are two coats on these iFlex medallions, and I waited 1 hour before each coat. I used a brush when painting on the Lux Metallics on these iFlex medallions, but you can also roll or spray the Lux Metallic paint. Since the Lux Metallics are water-based, they are very easy to clean up with just some soap and water. One of the greatest things about our Lux Metallics is that they are super easy to blend. If you're just starting out blending, then this is a great paint to do it with. Here we have Iris and Gemstone, and this is one coat, and I am going to show you how to blend them. You can see how a second coat really gives you the nice vibrant color of the Lux Metallic. I am placing the Iris and the Gemstone right next to each other. Remember to use one brush for each color so your colors don't get muddled together. Use our extender if you need a little bit more dry time on your paint. This will allow you more time to blend. Now that I have those colors placed, I am going to come with a neutral dry brush, so a brush that doesn't have paint on it, and then I'm just going to go over the two colors and blend them together. I'm blending them by going every which way with my brush, and then I'm coming and going in one direction to smooth all the colors together. It's really easy and anybody can do it. Now that our colors are dried, here's a nice look at the blend of our Lux Metallics. Thank you so much for watching our Lux Metallic video.